probably the most frustrating household chore is folding the fitted sheet or the bottom sheet. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. I take the sheet and open it up to the widest length, and I'm going to put one hand in each of those corners. I'll then take my two hands and I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to roll the right side over my left hand and stick my right hand back inside. And then with my left hand, I'm going to come down the edge and find the other two corners and put those together and put my hand inside. And once again, put my hands together, and I'll fold over the right on top of my left. And now all four corners are together. With my left hand, I'm going to grab those bottom two edges there, and I have a rectangular-ish type shape. I'll put it on the bed and just straighten it out. I'm going to grab the top two corners and fold that over by a third, and then grab the bottom and fold that right over on top, and then lengthwise we'll fold it in thirds again. Ta-da! A nice way to store them is placing the top and bottom sheet into the matching pillowcase.